So we're in the dashboard of the WordPress website, and this is running version 3.9 at the moment. And you see we've got the standard links and tabs down the left hand side. But what we're going to do is we're going to install the Genesis framework and see what changes once it's installed. So let's go to Appearance and Themes, and we'll add new. And I've already downloaded the latest version of the Genesis framework. So I click Upload Theme and we'll browse for it here. And here is the zip folder of the Genesis framework that I've previously downloaded. So I'll open that and we'll just install it. Right, then we just need to activate this theme. Then here it is in the dashboard here in our theme, so we can select it, activate it. But you'll see straight away we've got this new Genesis tab on the left hand side. And under that we've got theme settings, SEO settings, import export. So let's have a quick look in here. So in the theme settings you can select stuff to update it or some feed URLs, and then you can select default theme layouts. And also there are various other options like turning on and off breadcrumbs, where they want posts, comments and trackbacks available, and different archives and blog settings. And there's also two areas for header and footer scripts. So for example, you could put Google Analytics code in here if you wanted this on your website. But we'll have a look at SEO settings now, and you've got an area here for your Google Plus publisher URL. And you've got all these options about whether you want to show your title in at the top of your website, and you've got some other general settings like homepage settings, where you want to put for your homepage title for your website, and whether you want to show the tagline on your homepage. Then you can write a general description for your homepage in here, and also some keywords. And you've got these options whether you want to index the homepage or any links in there, no follow them, and things like this. And also at the bottom we've got a host of options here for robots metadata, such as, this can be important for SEO and things like duplicate content, or how Google or other search engines see duplicate content. So by default it's got some ticked. You should generally leave these, but it's just saying that don't index the archive pages, because this is just repeat information for the parts of your site. So there's some important general settings in here you can set up. But there's also, if we go into posts and we say we'll add a new post, this all looks the same, but once you've got Genesis framework installed, you've got these extra theme settings here. So you can put a custom title, and this is what shows up in the Google search results. So you may have a general title for your website, for your post, but this may be long, or it may not contain specific keywords that you may want to show actually in the search results. So you can put a more SEO friendly title in here, and also a custom meta description. And again, this is what shows up in the Google search results. So when someone does a search on Google and your website shows up, it'll have the title and also have a bit of text, a bit of a description underneath. And generally it just pulls the first section of text from your website, but this may not be great, it may not be representative, and really it wants to be something that'll draw the searcher on Google's eye and make them click on your link. So you can put a much better description in here to get clicks through to your page. There's a few other things like redirect, and there's also, you can say don't index this page for whatever reason, or don't follow any links on this page. And this might be checked if you have a lot of affiliate links, for example. So you want the links on your website, but you don't want Google to follow them and index them. And also you can set default theme layouts here. So you see that the Genesis framework provides all these SEO options by default.